All right, YouTube, I'm back. Check it out. I'm about to make me 2 chalupas. This is my favorite dish of all time. Here you go. You got your 2 tortillas there. What I like to do first, since I like beans, grab my fork here. I'll spread it out just like this. I like to put a lot because when I bite it, I like for it to come off my mouth. So, yeah, I put some beans here. I spread it out. I'll make it look a little zesty, you know, get a little creativity. Pour it on there, right? Just like so. After I do that, I get my meat, right? Get my ground beef. Pour it on there just like that. See, and everyone's different. Not everybody puts the meat on there like this. So some people just like the beans. Some people just like the lettuce and tomato. But me, if you look at me, you can see me. I love to eat. I can go all out, baby. All right, so what I do is I put the meat on there, right? I get the meat, and then from here, you can do pretty much whatever you want, okay? From here, I like to get my avocado next. I get my avocado. It's already pre-cut, so all I gotta do is just lay it in there, just like this. Just like this. It gets a little messy there towards the end, right? But I'll just cut it up just like here. All right, just like that, right? Probably could add a little bit more meat there. Missing some meat. So put a little bit more meat on here, right? I like to make a mess because at the end what I like to do is, what I have what's left, I like to make some nachos. All right, so what I do after that, I'll get me a little bit of lettuce, pour some lettuce on there, right? Pour some lettuce, and then give it some color, right? I'll give it a little bit of tomato. Let me add some tomato on here. Put that but tomatoes right there. Look at that. Tell me that's not looking good, right? And then me, I'm kind of greedy, right? So I'll go back, I'll rewind a little bit, add a little bit more meat, you know? And then from here, it's up to you. I like to add a little bit of sour cream. All right, so I'll put a little bit of the sour cream on here. Let me get this knife here. Put a little bit of sour cream, right? And not the best looking sour cream in the world, but let me use a knife, maybe that's better. Put some sour cream on there. Right, put some sour cream. Put your knife here. Put my spoon here since it's kind of dirty. And then what I do next is I'll grab some lemons, right? I like lemon. I like giving it that sour taste. So I'll put some lemon on here, right? Pour some lemon on there. I'll get some more lemon because I'm just a lemon kind of guy, okay? Go just like this. And then make sure you always have a napkin, right? A good chef always cleans up his mess, right? So then what I do is I'll come over here, I'll grab some Kraft cheese, right? I grab it, I'll pour it on there. Look at that. Look at that. Shoo! Tell me you're not getting hungry out there, right? Then you grab your pepper, right? Give it a little bit of love. Grab a little bit of salt, right? A little bit of salt. Give it some love, right? And then what I do is give it a little bit more meat. Why not? A little bit more meat, right? So it's all said and done. Now for the final. Check this out. My chalupa. Oh yeah. Yeah. That hits the spot. Yeah. That's pretty good. Thanks guys for watching me. I need you to like and subscribe. This is how you do a chalupa. Thank you.